Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be drawing the tangency problem on the screen. If you are new to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button for more of our educational content. And if you are already subscribed, please do well to hit the like button. So first of all, we are going to be drawing our straight horizontal line. Please make sure you are using a thin line. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line in this manner, like this. So now we have been given the lower circle of this particular drawing as shown on the screen to be 30 millimeters. So I'm going to pick 15 millimeter radius on my compass like this, then place it at this particular point, then draw a diameter of 30 millimeter circle like this, in this manner. Now we have been given an arc that goes from this particular circle to this other circle up here to be radius of 56. So I'm going to pick 56 millimeter radius on my compass. Then from here I'm going to place it at this center here, then strike an arc to this top. Then we have also been given the top circle to be diameter of 26 millimeter. 26 millimeter divided by 2, that's radius of 13 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 13 millimeter radius on my compass, like. Then I'm going to place it at this point here, then draw my circle like this. So now we are going to be starting with this particular. I'm going to be extending this particular curve down like this. This particular curve we have drawn, I'm going to be extending it to the bottom. Now we have been given a line here which is of 45 degree. So I'm going to pick my 45 degree set square and draw a line in this manner like this. Now I also given a line in this place of 5 degree line. So I'm going to pick my protractor and measure 5 degree like this. 5 degree, this is 5 degree here. So I'm going to draw a straight line from this point passing through that place I've picked as my 5 degree here. So now as we can see in this particular place there is radius of 12 millimeter. So I'm going to pick my compass, pick radius of 12 millimeter on my compass, it at this particular center here. I'm going to draw an arc like this, in this manner. Then I'm going to come to this top here also like this, then place radius of 12 millimeter also like this, in this manner, like this. So now I'm going to place my compass at this point and extend it to one of those particular arc I've drawn, then draw like this, then extend it to this other point like this, in this manner, then join this together. So that's that for that. So now we are going to be drawing this bigger circle here, and as we can see on the diagram, they have given us this bigger circle here to be of radius 20 millimeter. So I'm going to pick radius 20 millimeter on my compass, then place it at this center here, then strike an arc in this manner like this. Now we are going to go to this other arc here, this particular place. We are also given a radius of 20 millimeter above this place. So I'm going to place my compass like this here, in this manner, then draw an arc of radius 20 millimeter. So between these two arcs we also have a radius of 20 millimeter here, and which this place is actually going to be an external arc because it is like this. So we are going to be applying the addition principle in tangency. So I'm going to pick, this is 20 and this is 20, so I'm going to pick 40, which is 20 plus 20. I'm going to pick 40 millimeter on my compass, 40 millimeter, placing it at this particular point here. I'm going to strike an arc here, then place it at this point also and strike an arc. So picking 20 millimeter on my compass like this, in this manner, I'm going to pick 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter, placing it at that point at which I'll strike the arc. This point here, I'm going to join these two together, this one. So in this manner, I'm going to join these two together in this manner. So now we are also given an arc here of radius 20 millimeter. Also there's an arc of radius 20 millimeter here. So picking 20 millimeter on my compass like this, I'm going to place it here and draw radius 20 millimeter. So this particular radius here, that is this arc here, is actually 76 millimeter from this center circle. So I'm going to pick 76 millimeter from my compass, on my compass, in this manner like this, then placing it at this particular point here, 76 millimeter, placing it at this particular point here. I'm going to draw like this and join it together. So we have drawn this particular part finished. So now we are going to be drawing the bigger arc that is at this particular point here, as seen on the diagram, and we can see that it's having a radius of 24 millimeter. So I'll pick 24 millimeter on my compass like this, in this manner, then place it at this particular point and draw an arc of radius 24 like this. Now we can see that there is a circle, like an arc here also, that is joining these 2 points together, and it is actually an internal arc. So we are going to be applying the subtraction principle on this particular place. So we are giving this particular arc, which is joining these 2 points together, to be of radius 76, and this arc is having a radius of 24. So we are going to do 76 minus 24 first, which is 52. So I'm going to pick 52 millimeter on my compass, then I'll place it at this center point here and strike an arc in this manner. Please make sure it is a thin arc. Then we are also giving this other larger arc to be of radius 20, and this arc here is 76. So 76 minus 20, which is actually 56. So I'm going to pick 56 millimeter on my compass like this. Then I'll place it at this point and cut this arc. So this place at which they are cutting each other, I'm going to pick the 76, which is the actual radius of that part. I'm going to pick it on my compass like this, then place it at this point, then draw, then join these 2 points together. So I've joined them together like this. So that's that for this place. Now we are moving to this place. The arc joining these 2 particular places together is just like this arc, is also an external arc also. So we are going to be applying the addition principle of tangency. So now we have been given the radius joining these 2 arcs like this to be 36 millimeter, and applying the addition principle, this particular external arc here is actually 20 millimeter radius plus 36, which is going to be 56 millimeter. So I'm going to strike my 56 millimeter arc starting from the center of this place. Then this other place is actually having a external arc of 24 millimeter plus 56, which is going to be plus 36, which is going to be 60 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 60 millimeter on my compass in this manner, then strike this arc. So from this point at which the both of them meet, I'm going to place my 36, I'm going to pick 36 millimeter on my compass, then place it at this point like this at which they meet, then draw to this place. So I've solved the tangency problem on the screen. Please, if you found value in this video, do well to share to your friends. They will also be needing it. So we'll be taking it out now.